Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. This is Ali from isocialu.com, and in this video we're gonna see how you can use relevant Facebook groups to boost your page engagement. Yes, you can use Facebook groups created by other people, and some of these groups have huge audience to boost your page engagement. So first, we're going to look at a simple strategy that I use for myself and my clients, and then I'll also show you some demos and real examples. So let me walk you through the 5-step strategy. It's super simple. In step number 1, you will find and join 10 to 15 relevant Facebook groups. So make sure the Facebook groups that you join are not random, they're relevant. So for example, if your audience is moms, then you want to join the mom groups. Number 2, read the rules. This is extremely important. Now, why? Because some of these groups do not allow self-promotion, and some do allow self-promotion on certain days. So you want to understand all the rules in those groups. Step number 3 is engage with other people on regular basis. So they know your name, they know who you are, and they're okay with you when you self-promote your posts. And step number 4 is actually the self-promotion. You share your post from your page to these Facebook groups on the days that they allow self-promotion. And step number 5 is update the tracking sheet. So here's a simple tracking sheet that I use for myself and also some clients. And by the way, you can download this. I'll attach this to this video and the class. So the sheet is super simple. You're gonna list down all the Facebook group names, then the links to the Facebook group. And then if you have a bigger team, maybe 1 or 2 person joins the group, not everyone has to join. Or if you have a social media manager, maybe that person will join the group. And then self-promotion, this is where you can take notes on when the self-promotion is allowed for these groups. And then you can keep track. We do on week by week basis. So week 1 will mention when we posted on, week 2 will mention when we posted on, and then week 3 and so forth. Actually, let me give you, so this is a template that you can download with this strategy after watching this video. Let me show you a real template that we use for one of our clients. So here we go. So here's an example for this client. The target audience is moms. So if you'll see moms of South Lake parents, Trophy Club moms, Frisco moms. So you'll see all these Facebook groups that have thousands and thousands of moms inside. And then the next column we're tracking, or we have the Facebook group link, so we can easily click and go to that group. And then who has joined. So we have a bigger team, so we make sure we write down who has joined the Facebook group. This is to make sure not more than one person is not posting or spamming the group, because they won't like that. And now this is extremely important, self-promotion. So on what days these groups allow self-promotion? For example, this group allows self-promotion on Wednesdays. Let me see if I make this bigger. It's not working. That's okay. And this is another group. They allow 1 post per week any day. 1 post per week any day. So you want to make sure you go through all the groups that you joined, read the rules in the description, and make a note of when they allow self-promotion, because that's the day we're gonna promote our content and boost our engagement. And the next is really you can track what days or dates you have shared the post inside those groups to make sure you're not double posting or spamming the group, because they won't like that. Now let me show you a real example. So here is one of our pages that we manage, Apollo Tutor. So it's a tutoring company. The target audience is moms. Obviously, moms pay for tutor for their kids. So look at this. So this post was posted a while ago, but then also we shared it to, let's see, different Facebook groups. So this group is Moms of South Lake. And here's another Facebook group, Women Business Group. Again, target audience is inside these groups. And then this is how the post will look like inside the group. So we're inside the Women's Business Group, and then we can see the post. Look at this. Super simple tactic. Now, if we don't follow the rules of these groups, they're gonna look at us as spammers. They might even delete us from the group. So it's extremely important to follow the steps and structure and make sure you read the rules and understand when they allow the self-promotion. Now let me show you how you can easily share content from your page, and it's actually super easy. I'm sure some of you may have already done it. So this is our page, and let's say if this is the post that you want to share inside the group, all you have to do is click on the share icon right here and then share in a group, and then you can type, for example, if I type mom, so it's gonna put that group in here. That's it. And then one thing I always recommend, for every single group, add a couple of lines. So for example, here we can say, hey, moms of South Lake, and then whatever we want to say that's relevant to this post. So that's it. It's a simple strategy, but if you step back, it's really powerful, because we are using or leveraging the Facebook groups built by other people. Some of these groups will have thousands of people that are also relevant to our business or our target audience, and we can attract them in a non-spammy way. And now again, feel free to download this sheet and use it. The strategy is super simple. You join the relevant group. I would suggest 10 to 15, actually more the better. You read the rules, and then you engage with other people on a regular basis, but you share your post only on the day that they allow self-promotion on, and then you update the tracking sheet. You can create your own version of this tracking sheet, but you feel free to download this and use it. It's super simple. The group name, group link, who has joined, self-promotion on week 1, and then we usually track it on the weekly basis. But let's say if you join Facebook groups and they allow on multiple days, and you want to track it on daily basis or even on monthly basis, you can modify this template and use it. So this is it, guys. Go ahead and join the 10 to 15 relevant Facebook groups if you haven't already done so. And now, if you have any questions, leave them, and I will be more than happy to help you out and give you some insight. If you're not sure what type of Facebook groups you should join based on your target audience, leave a comment. Let me know what or who your target audience is, and I can give you some ideas. Now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.